So now we've turned up at a railway, and apparently you just cross it like this, man, and hope that a train doesn't come and hit you.
Hurry up.
Hurry up.
Can I hear something?
Can you?
Yeah.
No, it's him coming along the tracks. Are we meant to be going this way? What the hell? That is so weird. There's like people like walking along it as well. So we found like this local market, and everyone's like looking at us like we shouldn't really be here. But it's quite cool. And then like on the river, there's like this group of like locals having drinks and like dancing and stuff, which is really funny. So I'll have to click to that. But yeah, it's cute.